LJ Smith with Kaluakan. Let's debate it. What's up? What's up, guys? Hey, look, we are coming to you live in more of a natural element. I told y'all I love the natural elements, man, for real. Right? Look how clear that is, too, guys. See how clear that is? Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Sometimes you just want to isolate yourself and get your thoughts together. Recollect. You know, I don't see nothing wrong with that. I don't see nothing wrong with that. You know what I mean? Like, this is where it's at right here. Let's see if y'all can kind of see down in there real good. I can zoom in on this bad boy too. Blam, look at that. Y'all see that? Look at, see how the water? I want you to see all that, okay? Okay. Don't move it too quick. Beautiful thing. We're gonna head on back up to the top, man. Head on back to the top of the deep in the woods. I can't really turn the camera around on this thing right here. How y'all doing? All right. Can't really turn the camera around. How you doing?
Hello.
All right. Can't really... Look, see that? See that right there? I'll let you know you're getting close. You see that color right there? Let's let you know you're getting close back to the top. Yeah, this is dope right here. Every now and then I come out to this park just to get a little breather. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to me, in my opinion, sometimes, to just get one with nature, man. And you know, even if you want to get your little meditation in or whatever you want to do, if you want to come out here and burn you some Bob Marley, go for it. This is definitely the environment for that, right? And yeah, I found this little park. Look, we see it. There go another. There go another. Yeah, I don't got much to say, guys. I'm telling you, I'm just loving this site, loving this view, right? If y'all don't know about this park, I can definitely put y'all on. Like, for real. You got dogs, you definitely want to bring them out here. I would. I would, for real. For real. For real, for real. I would. Wow. Look at that. It's that joint right here. Yeah. This is it. But look, this is what it is. History to this park too. It's a lot of history to that park, for real. Yeah, LJ Smith, Khalil Cunliffe.